How's it going, everyone? Hope you're all good. Well, sorry I haven't put a video out for a little while. Obviously you're still waiting for the last part of the Meriva video. It's going to be Meriva part 4. So I've had a nasty virus, I think it was a new strain of COVID. And yeah, it's just been a bit rough lately and haven't been able to really film and that while I've been working. It's been hard enough just struggling away, getting the work done and stuff. But I've been getting through it. But what I have got for you is I've just been to the MOT, stuff like that, and it's just gone straight through. No advisories, nothing basically. Just said it was a really good car, really nice underneath. It's not going to need anything for a while by the sound of it. Obviously I've done loads of stuff on it myself. I've done, what did I do? Drop links, brakes, ABS sensors, tyres. That's just off the top of my head, basically. So, right, I'm gonna spin you around and I'll show you what the car looks like now. So that's what the car is looking like at the moment, sitting there in front of me. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go right through it. I'm going to get the polisher on it. Going to give it a really good buff. Go through all the stuff on the windows, stuff like that. Do all the wheels. Do all the tyres. Make sure all the body kit and everything's all nice. They're all inside the doors, up in the sort of top of the boot and round them. Basically all the shuts, under the bonnet, all the engine bay. I'm going to give it a really good clean. Then once we get to them stages, I'll then wax it or put some symmetric coat on it, depending on what I've got in the cupboards. And then we'll take it out for a spin and we'll do a photo shoot. And that's going to be the end of that one, really. I'm going to have probably another video coming on this one. We've got a how-to. I had to put some wishbone arms on the bottom, so I thought I'd do a how-to for everyone. Because I know, quite a few people are really enjoying them at the moment. And I'm getting lots and lots of nice messages and stuff from everyone saying thanks for doing them and you've helped me do my car all right. So no problem, appreciate that. And yeah, that's just sort of how we go at the moment. Just out there, I've got I was going to say I've got a new one, another project, but if I'm being honest, I've actually got another 3. So, not sure what we're going to move on to next, but that'll be very quickly after this video. I'll get started on the next car. I'm working over there on some bits and pieces for it at the moment, which is some wheels. So, it won't take long to go on to the next one. So let's go for a spin, let's get to me spot, we'll get this all sort of photoed out and stuff like that. Hopefully I'll start to feel better and we can move on a bit. Been a rough one. Just went on for like, I don't know, it's been over 3 weeks. Been a bit of a nightmare really. Been like really hot, all sort of, no energy, that sort of stuff, but still been coming in every day and getting on with stuff. But I ain't even been out on no fishing trips or nothing like that either, so it's sort of, that give you no idea of how rough I have been. The whole family's had it, to be honest, so yeah, not good, but hopefully moving on, we're gonna carry on and get to the end of this car and get on to the next one. Lovely. I've been doing a few trips sort of up and down the country basically, picking up some of these other ones. So I've purposely gone out and bought some different stuff, because obviously, you know, on the channel I do a lot of Vauxhalls really, sort of Corsas, Zefiras, Merivas, you know, that sort of stuff. It'd be like bread and butter stuff that pay the bills and, you know, etc, etc. But I've purposely gone out and I bought I've got 4 here, and none of them Vauxhalls, and 3 of them the cars that I've never done on the channel. So should be interesting, be something a bit different, get some new viewers in and, you know, sort of see them as well. And yeah, if you've got anything you want me to do on the channel, or anything you want me to adjust on the videos, etc, etc, just let me know and I'll have a little play about and we'll see what we can do. So let me know. I'm thinking about sort of putting some auction content in, maybe doing a couple of videos of that sort of stuff. If you want to see anything like that, let me know in the comments below, because I go to all the auctions and I online bid all the time and stuff, and I'm always picking up and delivering and etc, etc. So I see all sorts of, you know, really good cars, and I thought, well, it makes sense if I sort of filmed a few of them. For instance, when I was picking up the last one yesterday, there was a Cosworth, and I could have, you know, had to wander around that and sort of shoot that off as long as the owner don't mind, and yeah, stuff like that. So if you want to see some stuff like that, let me know, and I'll start adding them in. Right, I'm gonna spend probably 5-6 hours on this, and then I'll do the photo shoot. So 2 seconds to you, lots of work for me. Let's get on with it. So, what did you think? Put loads and loads of effort into it. Come up really shiny, really good. There's a couple of tiny little dents in a couple of the doors, like, you know, when you go shopping and stuff like that and someone opened their door into your car, and them sort of little dents. Probably could have got the old dent man round, or could have took the door panel off yourself and give it a little tap, but you know, that's a 59 plate, and it's looking pretty good. If someone want to do that, they can do that, can't they? But yeah, I come up really well under the bonnet, looked like brand new. Everything was just lovely. There's no oil, no water, no nothing like that under there. It's all really clean, which is nice. All the interior come out really nice. All the dashboards all like literally sparkling. Got no marks on it. It's like a leathery sort of effect on this. That's come up really well. Seats cleaned up as normal, and how I do on all my cars. Yeah, they were filthy, but got the old wetbacks and stuff on them, and yeah, look really good. Carpets and that like brand new. Couldn't really ask for much more really. That come up really well. Just, like I say, a couple of minor bits on the bodywork, but nothing to worry about. And had everything else that I needed, so it's basically ready to go now. So it's gonna be going up for sale, and I doubt that'll hang around too long. Oh, well, while we're talking about this, I'll just say about this. I had a few messages, sort of people asking, you know, they're interested in the cars and that when I finished. Well, just trying to think. Well, from the previous videos, everything I've shown you to now, they're all gone. That's the trouble. I get them finished, and when they're up for sale, they go like that because the first person to see them, you know, you sort of look at the pictures and stuff, and people think, oh, they've probably been edited. You know, the vehicle don't look like that. Well, they get here, and the vehicle's as good, if not better, than the photos. And 9 times out of 10, they go straight away. So this one's still here, but previous, they've all flew out. The last one was the Corsa C. That went as quick as I put it up, and I do believe I've got a list of like 3 people for the next courses. So by all means, you know, drop me a message, and you're quite welcome to come and have a look. And we just basically do it on a first come first served basis, because sometimes I can get 20 messages on one course or so, or whatever car that is I'm putting up. You know, you're quite welcome to come and have a look and make an offer. But don't drop on the prices too much, because you see the effort I put into the vehicles, and the vehicles are 100%. It's not like going on Facebook and just buying an old banger. I've been through the brakes, I've done the exhaust, I've checked the engine, all the suspension, etc, etc, new tyres, and whatever they need they get. So you're getting a really good car, hence why I get so many messages. But yeah, you're welcome to message me if you want to, and I'll do a first come first served basis. Or if you're interested in some of the stuff I do all the time, like the Corsas, Merivas, stuff like that, you're quite welcome to drop me a message, and I'll speak to you and put your name down on the list, and I can let you know what's coming in next, and mileage, etc, etc, tell you all about it before I even finish doing it on the video. So yeah, anyway, we're dragging on now, we're sort of chatting away here, aren't we, just waffling. But I thought I'd just address a few of them bits and pieces, because I've had quite a few of them lately while I haven't been too well. With loads of messages sort of asking this, and obviously the people who have said, where are you at the moment, what's happening? Thank you for the, the get well soon messages and that sort of stuff. Right, I'm going to end this one here. This is obviously the final part to this one, and we're going to move on to the next one. So thanks for watching, really appreciate your time and stuff, and everything else that I've just mentioned, and I'll see you all soon in another video. Bye for now.